Well, welcome to my channel, everybody. Thanks for watching. And this video is the fourth video in the playlist 2003 Southern Trip. A trip my brother and I took back in 2003. These are from the pre-YouTube days, before the existence of YouTube. But anyways, this is down in North Carolina, as you saw, Morehead City. And the bridge that you're looking at goes from Morehead City across the Sound over to Atlantic Beach, which is on the Outer Banks. And the body of water in between the two is called the Bogue Sound. And from here, this is, I think it's the like at the visitor center in Morehead City. At the time, my aunt and uncle lived close enough where we walked from their house down to there. That is a blue Marlin.
Andrew, we'll stand next to it. That's how big that thing is.
And there's information on the fish. 1,000 pounder. Caught in August 12, 1989. Okay, this is over by Fort Macon State Park. Fort Macon is on the Outer Banks of North Carolina. That's just where we were, over by Morehead City and Atlantic Beach. You just go further down from Atlantic Beach on the Outer Banks to Fort Macon State Park. This is kind of the inlet from the ocean into Morehead City. And in my video's description below the video, depending on what device you're watching. Oh yeah, there we go. We got a fishing boat out there. But anyways, as I was saying, in my video description, I'll have like a title and then a timestamp for different sections of the video, and you can click on the timestamp and go directly to that section of the video, so you don't need to sit through the entire thing. I do that for all my videos, at least for the most recent ones. Of course, it depends on what device you're watching on. This trip we went on, I decided to kind of like dig them out and kind of go through the archives and just stick them on YouTube just so they're there. Kind of cool to kind of watch them look back from then compared to how they are, how different it might look today. Okay, this is over by the fort now, and in that location right nearby there is now a visitor center there. But of course, back in 2003, it was not there yet, so it was just only the fort itself. I've got several different clips coming up all around inside the fort and through it and stuff, so just sit back and watch, and I'll chime in whenever I have a reason to say anything. Oh yeah, I moved. This is just a little ways away from the main entrance there to the fort. I decided to move over here because, you know, there are people passing by, so I went a little further off just to do this little clip. And there's the flag. Oh yeah, and it does not cost anything to go to Fort Macon State Park. I should probably mention that. At least that back then, and even when I was there in 2017, we took a trip down there, and still did not have any admission fees. Of course, there's a donation box there, I think. But in the visitor center, they have, you know, like a gift shop and information and stuff.
No, honey, it's in the middle of the 19th century. Yeah, think about that. That's 125 years to 2000. Okay, so 128.
Oh yeah, when I was there in 2017, see those little spikes there of bars that would cut away? That's not there now, I don't think. Maybe little kids were getting impaled on or something, so maybe they removed them so it's smooth there. Yeah, right here I was filming the steps there. And the story is that a cannonball was shot at the fort and it like rolled down the steps there. I don't know if that's if that actually happened, but everything does line up just right. So it's not something I'm making up. So whether it's true or not, it sure looks real though if it Came bouncing down apparently, but right here I'm standing right at the center of the fort, right in the middle, and just kind of turned around and filmed the entire interior there. I think it's an oven or stove or something like that. That's the main entrance into the fort there. Of course, when I was filming this, I didn't film, for YouTube or anything, because that didn't exist for another couple of years. This was just for my own personal memories. My own personal documentation. See the rifling on the inside there. You gotta give it some spin on the way out.
And that's where it would move.
Yes, it is. Thank you.
I believe those are the original doors to the fort. Gotta see how thick they are. Okay, we're back at the beach. Like, this is Fort Macon Beach. So you just walk from the parking area to the fort down to here. I think they have a couple different parking areas where you can access the beach. And some sections of the beach are lifeguard protected, and then there's other sections that are not. And that's looking over towards Atlantic Beach. There's my brother inspecting the sand.